Another additional feature is the ability to change your limit setting. This setting governs how quickly the instrument will clear before being able to take another sample. The default limit setting for the formaldemeter is 1, which means the fuel cell must be very stable before the instrument allows the user to take another sample. There are a total of 4 limits available. These limits are: Limit 1, the default setting for the formaldemeter. Limit 2, the glutaraldemeter mode, which should not be used. Limit 3, used if the formaldemeter is regularly sampling concentrations of formaldehyde in excess of 2 ppm, allowing the instrument to sample at more regular intervals than in the default limit setting. Limit 4, used in extended range for formaldemeter. Please contact the manufacturer regarding this setting, as changing to Limit 4 may require additional changes to the instrument settings and hardware. To change these limits, simply hold down the S button and the upward arrow whilst turning the instrument on. You will notice that the word Conf appears on the display. This represents the configuration menu. Release all the buttons and step through the menu by pressing the S button until you reach the display LT equals. If you see the brackets when attempting to alter the setting, then you must reset the instrument first. See the video on troubleshooting for more details.